If you want to customize the lock screen on OnePlus 15, here's what you can do. First of all, we're gonna jump to settings, and in here we want to go to home screen, lock screen, and style. Now in here we have different Flux themes, and usually if you want to fully customize the lock screen, I can recommend you first by choosing the Flux theme that you want to start with, because these different Flux themes actually have different fonts and styles for clock. And in this case, as you can see, the clock is positioned over here, like in the middle or slightly below of the screen. We also have these bigger clocks, so you can choose whichever you like the most. You can of course also go to all the Flux themes in order to find some more options, like for example this huge clock over here in the middle of the screen, and some other options are available in here as well. So usually we can start with that. So let's say in my case I'm gonna choose this one over here. Let's select it, let's tap on it. And now in here we have our lock screen. First we can of course choose the wallpaper. If you want to change the wallpaper, then we can easily do that. And let's say I'm gonna actually go ahead and choose a photo from an album. And let's say I'm gonna pick up this photo in here. Let's use the check. We should be able to apply it. There we go. And of course we can adjust the wallpaper slightly. We should be able to move it up and down with 2 fingers if you want to. So let's say I'm gonna position it maybe something like this. In addition to that, we can go to style, we can apply the blur to the wallpaper, we can also use one of these different effects, and we also have the enlarge option that allows us to expand slightly the area that is visible over here, so it might look better with this option. Now, there is also the depth option, of course, so you can hide the clock behind over here, and we can choose one of these 2 options. Well, we can turn it on or off. And in here we should be able to simply adjust the object so that we can choose how much of the clock should be covered. We cannot fully cover it with our object, of course, in order to make sure that we can actually read the clock, but this is how it looks like. At the bottom, we have the lock screen shortcuts, so we can choose one of these 2 shortcuts and we can customize them. We can also tap on the clock in order to change the clock over here. We can move it. Well, not move it, we can choose whichever font we want to use, and actually if you choose a different face for the clock, you will find some different styles in here. We can adjust the additional info, like the time and weather. We can adjust the pedometer over here. We can adjust the thickness of the font as well, and we can customize colors too. So you can choose the color that you actually wish to use over here. So let's say I'm gonna pick something like, maybe something like this. And there we go. Now, that is pretty much it. So once you are done with the customization, we can press apply in the upper right corner to save these changes. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.